In this video, we'll show how to manually install the Microsoft Windows 2019 operating system in UEFI mode on a Dell EMC 14th generation PowerEdge system. Before you begin, ensure that you have the Microsoft Windows Server 2019 operating system handy. Note that in this video, we're using the virtual media method to install the operating system. To begin the process, click Virtual Media, and then click Connect Virtual Media. Click Virtual Media again, and then click Map CD DVD to map the OS image. In the dialog box, click Browse to select the ISO image, and then click Map Device. Note that storage controllers like software RAID S130 and S140 will not have native drivers in the OS. If your server is using any one of these two software RAID controllers, then you need to download the driver from the Dell support site and extract it. In this video, we'll be using the PERC10 hardware RAID controller, whose drivers are native in the operating system. Now, turn on the system. Press F2 to go to the System Setup page. Click System BIOS and then click Boot Settings. Ensure that UEFI is selected as the boot mode. Click UEFI Boot Settings and then click UEFI Boot Sequence. Make Virtual Optical Drive as your next boot device and then click OK. Then click Back twice. And then click Yes to save the changes. Click Finish to exit the System Setup page and then click Yes to reboot the system. Once the system restarts, you'll be prompted to press any key to start the installation. If any key is pressed, the OS installation starts. If no key is pressed, the system does not proceed with the installation, and the system might return back to the F1, F2 screen, or the system boots in the existing operating system, in which case, restart the system and retry the installation. After the files are loaded, select the appropriate language in which you want to install the OS. Note: if you want to choose another language, reboot the system, boot back into the OS media, and then choose the desired language. You can select the time and currency format of your region, select keyboard or input method, and then click Next to continue. At this point, click Install Now. This operation might take a while to complete. Note that if you want to install the full OS, then select the Windows Server 2019 desktop experience, and then click Next. Read the license agreement. If you agree to the license terms, select I accept the license terms, and then click Next. Select Custom, Install Windows Only. In the Windows Setup dialog box, click New, and then click Apply. Click OK. The drive partitions are created. After this, select the drive where you want to install Microsoft Windows 2019, and then click Next to begin the installation. Note that the system will restart a few times while the installation is in progress. After the installation is successful, the system restarts again. After the system restarts, you have to set up the password for the default username, Administrator, and then click Finish. Click Macros, and then click Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Now, you can log into Microsoft Windows Server 2019 using the administrator credentials. Dell EMC highly recommends that you install the latest hotfixes and security updates from Microsoft on your system by using Windows Updates or by downloading the latest updates after installing the operating system. For more information, visit the OS and Applications Knowledge Base at dell.com/support.